Welcome to this painting demonstration. My name is Åsa Sjölander. I am a Swedish artist and I will show you these city skylines using a credit card to paint. First of all, I'm going to prepare my paper. I'm going to wet the front side and the back side. This is important to keep the paper in good condition. It will help retain the pigments in the paints. And also the wetting of the surface, the front side of the paper, serves the purpose of evening out the sizing. My plan here is to just add some background to my city skyline, and I want to add 3 different colors. You may choose whichever colors you like. I use the Winsor Blue, Winsor Yellow and Winsor Red. And I'm just going from the top to the bottom, blending the colors together, but I'm cleaning the brush between colors. That is so the colors don't get too muddy. Now when you're done with the painting, if you want to, if you have good flow in the paint, you can tip the board and let the colors run out. And just bleed out. Now the paper is dried. It's important that it's really dry before I put on the second layer of paint. I want it to look something like this. Now a credit card can't retain any water or paint, so I have to think about how I am going to scrape the color on the paper. My plan is to apply some color with a brush and then scrape the paint downwards, so if I flip it upside down I could do that. Cities are often grey and dull in my eyes, so I'm gonna choose a color that is dark and greyish. This is Paynes grey, probably mixed with some neutral tint as well. And then I have the Winsor Blue. So I'm using my round brush, picking up a good amount of paint, putting it on the paper, and I have no ambition of making an even stroke or something. It's just getting the paint on the paper, and then quickly grabbing my credit card that I cut in a smaller piece and then drag the paint down. And as you can see, there is not much to move around. It's quite difficult to paint with a credit card. It's not as easy as it looks. Now when the paint is can't be moved anymore, I just pick up some new from the palette. And now we have towers leaning this way and that. I will try to straighten them up. I like adding details here and there, thin strokes, maybe rounded shapes. I mean, this could be a city, but it could also be some form of industry landscape. And I think we're done. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!